Introducing the 2012 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. Hyundai paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.